Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to back up and restore Steam games. Open Steam. Now select the game you want to back up. Select the location you want to back up to here. I created a folder here for backup. This is the game I backed up. Now I will show you how to restore the game I deleted and backed up. Now select the game folder that you backed up earlier. Now you can play the game. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.